Folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Alright, this is the Truggy Truggy A2 main at the Bego Racing RC Raceway Finale 2020. I'll show you this race. This will probably be one of the last races you get to see from this track until we come back here next year. Alright guys, let's show you.
10 secondes. 5 secondes.
Wow, that's a lot of trucks. Even with this wide angle lens, I can't get the leader just crashed off the track. All right, first place is now the blue and the Associated. Here comes the leaders around. So the leader is the blue Associated, followed by the orange. Steve Seguin, who was in pole position, is now in fourth. Oh, on his roof again. Hard brake. Hard brake, waiting for the marshal. All right, here comes the leader. The leader's this blue Associated who got ahead of the pack. He's just got a clean field. No one really near him yet. Second place, Tekno in the white and blue. Third place. First place coming around this corner here. Second place coming around here. There's an Italian with big monster truck tires on it. Arma. Those monster truck tires would be terrible, by the way. You really need race tires if you're going to try and race. You can race the Basher, but put good tires on it. That was tight. Nice. Oh, tagged the pipe. Two minutes left. All right, that's buzzer. Finished the race. I have no idea who's in what position. I'll show you the position by lap after and the final results. Alrighty, everyone should be coming around to finish their final laps now. Show you who won first. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.